Want to remove continue watching from your phone app on Netflix on your device? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily stop continue watching. First thing first, move into your application Netflix. From here, select your specific account and log in. Once you're in this page, move into My Netflix at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, click on your profile. Head over to Account. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you're here, scroll all the way down and in the section of Profiles, move into Privacy and Data Settings. Now simply move into Viewing Activity. In this page, you will be able to see all the movies and the series that you have been watching. If you want to remove it from continue watching, then all you're going to do is click on this icon right beside the movie. Or if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see the option of Hide All. Click on it. Once again, click on Yes, hide all of my viewing activity. After that, all of your continue watching videos or the series will be stopped. You can also do it manually by clicking on this icon. So this is simply how you can stop continue watching on Netflix on your device. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.